So this is the STICA's mission, vision, goals, and value. So vision, the Santo Tomas College of Agriculture, Sciences, and Technology, o STICAS, as a premier local institution in Southeast Asia. Mission 1, infuse wholesome value or core value to the teaching and non-teaching staff of STICAS. Mission 2, equip graduates with knowledge, skills, and attitude toward global competitiveness. Goals 1, provide a quality industry needed and tailor-fit educational program. 2, exposing in educational and cultural excellence. 3, instituting sufficient human and financial resources and complaint facilitate. 4, institutionalizing research culture across discipline. 5, establish collaboration among stakeholders and where respect, value, support are paramount. So 6, complaint programs for community improvements and development. So values, sufficient excellence, perseverance, humanism, and integrity. Thank you.